Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Technique Thursday. Today I'm going to be playing with the Sow Your Seed kit, which was just released into the shop on Tuesday. So what I did is just got some elements and put them on a sheet because I just wanted to play with a certain few of them for this Bible page, and so you didn't have to watch me take them all apart. And I made myself a title on the scan and cut, so I have that. And I was trying to figure out what I was going to do. Now, the verse I picked was 2 Corinthians 9:6. The point is this: the person who sows sparingly will also reap sparingly, and the person who sows generously will also reap generously. And I think that's so true in life, is that the more we give and the more we love, the more love will come into our lives. So it's about sowing and reaping, and just a motivating scripture for today. So I thought I would get out the Neo color crayons. Today I wasn't sure what to do. I opened my cupboard. They were the first thing that peeked out at me. I'm then going to do a little baby wipe resist with a stencil. So let's see how that all plays out for us. With the Neo colors, I have prepped with 2 coats of TriArts clear gesso, and then what I'm going to do is just take the Neo color and scribble it over the gesso, and this will help it move. So I just wanted to do some yellow, and then I thought a really pale green for the background here. So we'll just do this, and hopefully I gessoed into the right places. So we'll put those aside. We're going to grab some water and just move it around a bit. Got the craft sheets under there in case we make a colossal mess, but we don't want to do that, do we now? No. So how's everybody's day? It's a really beautiful day here on the farm. Ryan's out today. He has a day off of work. He has bought himself, get this ladies, this holiday trailer from like the 1970s. Friends of a friends were giving it away, and I think he paid a couple $100 for this thing. And so he brought it to the farm last night, and he is cleaning it today and doing some fixing on it. So I was out washing some cupboards for him. So much fun. Can't really tell that this is green, so maybe we'll grab a different green and just color that in, and maybe try to make it just a little bit different. Get some more water here. And so our Finding I Am study is over. Oh, I was so sad to finish that study. I think it's literally one of the best studies I have ever done. So if you haven't done it, oh, please take a look at it. It's great. And if you register on the site, you have all the videos for free until, I think, June 30th on Proverbs 31. All right, so we've put some paint down. Now I'm going to stick this stencil down here. I'm going to grab a baby wipe. And what I want to do is just take off some of the color. I didn't want a really heavy pattern, so I'm just going to go in and take off some of the color in here to make a background. And it's probably going to be really light, so you're not going to see a lot of it. And you can just use plain water as well. So let's see how that's doing. So you can see some of it. I'm going to go in and take out bits more and just change the stencil around. But I didn't want like a really heavy background, so you can just sort of faintly see where my little baby wipe is kind of, where it's going to take off some of the color. So I'll do a big one up here so maybe you can see it a little better. This is watercolors are so forgiving that if you ever make a mistake, you could just put water over top of it and you're going to get the same effect. So here, let's do this one here. I'll show some close-ups on the end. So that's basically what happens. We'll give it a quick dry with the heat tool. So it's just adding a really gentle pattern into the background. And you can do it with a darker color if you want. You can also, we can add a couple flowers with a dark color over top. Let's see if we can get like a really, that was a pretty bright yellow. Let's just see what we could do here. Maybe with an orange. Let's try the orange. So what we can do is, let's say we can put the flower down here. We can scribble right onto our craft sheet. We can either pick it up with a baby wipe or with the paintbrush. And then if you dab on top, you're going to get some yellow or some orange. So you can just add that in as well, right? Doesn't have to be crazy. You can do just little spots. I'm just going to pick some more up on the baby wipe, and I don't want it like precise. I don't want it perfect. I want it kind of blended into the background. So then you can see little bits of orange popping up. Add some more onto the craft sheet. I'm not sure if that's in camera or not. And I'm just blotting some of it. You can also color it in. Put a little color into the flower, grab your water. There's like so many ways to play with this. And then it'll just give a different pattern, and then you can always go back, add some more, depending on how dark or how light you want it. So I just want this kind of, like I said, I don't want a crazy background. Okay, let's see. Oop, that made a big mush. That made a big mushy mess. Hang on. Maybe we should dry first, right? Oh, there's a flower that I just took off. That was like an epic fail. But, you know what I think I'm gonna do? Is just grab the orange and dab it on. Haha. The mother of all inventions is a big mistake. So first of all, should probably have had my page dried. But look, we found something new to try. So, art is never a fail, it's just something that develops on its own. So let's give it a dry, and then we'll add some stickers. I don't believe in turning off the camera, going to a new page. I figure if we make a boo-boo, let's figure out how we can fix it together. Alright. So just a soft page. Okay, good to go. So I've got my stickers. I've got my little sun from the camping kit here. So I think I'll put that up here first. And I'll take this opportunity to talk about a few things that are going to change for the summer. So I'm taking a little break. Since Praise and Pray started, I haven't really taken a holiday. And with moving to the farm last year, we spent the whole summer unpacking. So we never really got a summer. And this year I'm planting a garden, and we're planting trees and flowers and all kinds of things. So I wanted to take a little bit of time off to enjoy the farm. I mean, I'll still be around in the Facebook group, but I'm going to be taking a break from doing videos every week. So the odd one or two may pop up if I'm doing something exciting, but I'm just gonna take a break and work on some stuff, and you know, and there'll still be $2 Tuesday. Well, not $2 Tuesday. Here we go again, Lynn. It is, what is it? 20% Tuesday. Hubs is over in the corner, probably just laughing at me because my head's scrambled today. So 20% Tuesday will still be on the go. I will have lots of things ready for you all, so we can, you know, we'll still have some fun, but it's going to give us that little bit extra time to catch up on some projects. Like some of you haven't, you know, done the Finding I Am study. Some of you have collections you haven't worked with yet. So my goal is to have all my stuff done so that in September I am ready, and I think we'll pick a new study. What is it going to be? Have no clue yet. But if anybody has a suggestion, let me know of a study, and we will do that in September. And then I have a plan for October, November for Thanksgiving. Canadian Thanksgiving is in October, American Thanksgiving is in November, which is far away, yes, but we as designers, we have to plan ahead. So I've got an idea for that for us, and it's gonna be fun. My little Hank did not do a good job. So let's all get our stuff finished this summer, take some time to relax and enjoy, and then in September we'll all be ready with all our elements finished. We won't know what to do. We'll all be ready for a study. Doesn't that sound great in theory? I think so. Okay. Oh, my little elements are everywhere. I thought this was a fun little collection, and in July we are going to release one collection for the summer. It's a small one, and it's called Rest in Him, and that's kind of the theme I want for the summer, is rest. Rest, rejuvenate, revitalize, spend time in His Word, and kind of refocus and recenter things. So, all right. I love these little elements. They're so fun. My little gloves. I tell ya, where am I going to put these? Maybe just here on the end. They should kind of go in a pair, I think. Maybe just stick them together first. And then stick them on here. What else do we have? Oh, the little seed packet. So yes, that's the excitement for the day. The farm is warm and sunny. I'm fighting with birds that are eating my seeds in my garden, and so Hubs is out making me these wire cages for my garden beds, because I have raised beds here, and we're you know, just kind of figuring it out one step at a time. We got a lot to figure out here on the farm. And then I'm just gonna add a piece of this little washi here on part of the verse, because I covered part of it up. Let's see if we can do this. There. There. We'll leave it at that so we kind of know where the verse is. So, I just wanted to say, have an awesome day, everybody. Sorry with Sis here, I didn't get a video done last week, but you know, things happen, right? And we just go with the flow. So have an awesome, awesome day, everybody. I will see you in Praise and Pray. Enjoy your day, and God bless. Bye-bye.